Man, today I actually did it. My Christmas tree. Everybody else is sleeping upstairs. They just believe in something different in Christmas. I told them, do you think Santa's real? They all said no, but I do. He's like one of the best people I ever known. Come on, let's go. Ooh, Santa's gonna lay all my presents right here. All of them. And if you guys don't believe in Santa, you're a hater. You're just a hater. Now, if you see right here, Santa will be made in, I don't know, like 25th century. Oh, there's Pikachu. Let's go talk to him right now. Hey, Pikachu. Oh, I think I'm on Paradise. Hey, what do you want?
Yo, you better put me down. You better put me down.
Do you believe in Santa? Do I believe in Santa? Yeah, do you believe in Santa? Okay, I'll shake my head for this. Okay, you watch right there. If you get mad at me, make sure you guys can see what's happening. Can you guys see what's happening?
Guys, help me up here.
And I'm gonna watch the camera. No, I don't believe in Santa. I think it's just your parents wrapping up the presents you want. You don't get what you always want for Christmas. Like last year, I wanted that TM Dragon Rage, but nope, I didn't get it. It said from Santa. It looked like my mom's handwriting. Well, what's this? You are the Christmas spirit God. What?
I died.
Hey guys, this is the end of this video, and guess what? There's a surprise. I am going to be selling tons of plushies. I have like the Big Bear that's going to be coming out. I'm going to make 4 videos with him. I'm going to be selling him. Whoever writes the most funniest comments on my videos will do it. We'll get it.